Hello students, I hope you have done chapter 1 number system. Now I am telling you basic concept of polynomials. Chapter 2 polynomials. What is polynomials? Before definition of polynomials, we will discuss about constant and variables. Clear student? What is constant? The value of constant remains same, fixed in every situation, just like 2 numbers constant, 3 pi by 2 pi etc. Constant it means fixed value, no change. Clear बच्चा? And variable, the value of variable change according to situation. Clear बच्चा? Just like example is 2x. Here x is variable and 2 is constant. You can say 2 is the coefficient of x also. Clear बच्चे? If I am writing this one just like x square plus 3x plus 4, just like any equation. The coefficient of x square is बच्चे 1, coefficient of x is 3 and constant term is 4. Clear बच्चे? Now I am telling you definition of polynomial. An algebraic expression in which all variables have power as a whole number. It is defined just like p of x is equal to बच्चे a n x raised to power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 up to so on at the last a note. Just like polynomial 2x cube plus 4x square plus 6x plus 7. Here in this polynomial बच्चे highest power of variable is 3. Highest power 3 है ना बच्चे, x की power 3, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 1 plus 7, you can write x raised to power 0 also. Clear? So highest power is 3. Now you can say degree of this polynomial is 3 बच्चा. Clear? Degree of polynomial I told you. Just like another example, you can see x raised to power 5 minus x raised to power 4 plus 3. Highest power is 5. So you can say degree of this polynomial is 5. Clear बच्चा? Now there are some algebraic expression is given, classify that they are polynomial or not बच्चा. Under root x plus 3, here x की power क्या हुई बच्चा? Square root is given, it means 1 by 2. But I told in last page whole number, an algebraic expression in which all variables have power as a whole number. But 1 by 2 is not a whole number beta. You know 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So you can say it is not a polynomial. Clear बच्चा? Second, y square plus square root of 2. Constant बच्चा कुछ भी हो सकता है. Square root of 2 is a constant. But power of y is 2. 2 is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. And degree of this polynomial is 2. Clear बच्चे? Now next one is y plus 2 by y. You can say the power of y first term is 1. But in second term the power of y is minus 1. So we can say it is not a polynomial. We classify the polynomial into on the basis of degree and on the basis of terms. Clear बच्चे? On the basis of degree, first point, if degree is 0, then the polynomial is called constant polynomial. Just example 5. You can write 5 into x raised to power 0. Degree is बच्चे 0. So you can say 5 is a constant polynomial. Clear बच्चा? And if degree is 1, then it is called a linear polynomial. Just like 2x plus 1. x की power क्या है बच्चे? 1. Degree क्या होगी? 1. That is called linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial बच्चे, if degree is 2. 2x raised to power 2 plus 1. Degree is 2. And cubic polynomial बच्चे, power is 3. Highest power of this polynomial is 3. So you can say this is a cubic polynomial. Clear beta? It is on the basis of degrees. And on the basis of terms, if a polynomial has only one term, just like 2x square, 10y cube, it has only one term, students. Clear? Then it is called monomial. If the polynomial has two terms, this is first term, this is second term. It has two terms, then it is called binomial. If it has three terms, first, second, third, then it is called trinomial. Clear students? Now next, zero of polynomial. A real number k is said to be a zero of polynomial of px if p of k is equal to 0. Clear? I will discuss more this one in the questions. Now exercise 2.1 बच्चे, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? बेटा कौन कौन से polynomial से जो one variable के हैं? Just like question first, A part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. All the power of x are positive, x की power 2, x की power 1, and these are whole number. And variable क्या है बच्चा? x only single variable. So all the indices of x are whole number. So it is a polynomial of one variable which is x. Clear beta? I have solved all the parts. Just like look here, third part, 3 under root t plus t under root 2. 3 into t raised to power 1 by 2. In first term, power is 1 by 2. It is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. I told you बच्चा. Clear? Next question number second बच्चा. Write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square के साथ बेटा multiplication में क्या है? 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. In second part, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Coefficient of x square is beta minus 1. Clear beta? Coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Clear? Now third question, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35. Binomial means beta in this polynomial you will take two terms. Binomial means you will take two terms. और डिग्री क्या होनी चाहिए उसकी 35. It means x raised to power 35 plus any constant you can add two terms. Clear? Next इसका second part बेटा, monomial of degree 100. Monomial means you will take only single term, power is 100. So x raised to power 100 you can take, or any other example you can take बच्चे. Clear? Now question number 4, write the degree of the following polynomials. Degree beta I told you highest power of variable. Highest power of variable 3, so degree is 3. Highest power is 2, degree is 2. Highest power is 1, degree is 1. 3, you can write 3 into x raised to power 0. So degree is 0. I told you this is a constant polynomial. Clear beta? Question 5th, classify the following as a linear, quadratic and cubic. Beta linear we can classify on the basis of degree. The degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree कितने हैं बेटे? 2. So it is quadratic. In second part degree is 3. So it is cubic. Now in third part degree is highest power of variable. It is 2 beta. So it is quadratic. Fourth part degree is 1. So it is linear. Fifth part degree is 1. So it is also linear. Degree is 2. So it is quadratic. And degree is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. Thank you very much.